Okay, there's a yellow bird. That's a goldfinch. And I wanted you to share this beautiful picture of this goldfinch. Yahusha can make some beautiful birds, can't he? Hallelujah. All honor, esteem, and and
Praise.
praise to Yahusha
He doesn't.
HaMashiach.
He doesn't share his praise with another.
That's absolutely right.
Hummingbird. Oh,
And then there's
yeah.
a
Goldfish.
bird
Yeah.
getting a drink from the water fountain.
House finch.
Well, folks, we're just having a wonderful morning. I think I'm just going to send you all this little video as it is. Hallelujah. Give praise and thanks to Yahusha.